Hey everybody, Daddy Goober here to talk about Taoist Tantra, or what's known as sexual Kung Fu. This comes from ancient Chinese wisdom, over 4,000 years of spiritual science, and it's fundamentally different from Hindu Tantra in one crucial way. It's about conservation. Taoism teaches that your sexual energy, your jing, is precious, it's life force, and most men waste it. They ejaculate and lose it. But in Taoist practice, you learn to circulate that energy instead. You move it up your spine, through your meridians, transforming it into qi, life force that nourishes your whole body. And the goal isn't liberation or transformation. The goal is longevity, vitality, it's health. Taoist Tantra is the path of the warrior who protects his essence, understanding that your sexual energy is your life force. And by conserving it, circulating it, and harmonizing it, you extend your life and maximize your vitality.